Hi and welcome back to Classical Grooming. Today we're going to look at DEP hair gel. So DEP was a big name brand back in the 80s, very popular, and it was used by many of my cohorts throughout the 80s and into the 90s. And at some point in the 90s it wasn't as common anymore. I'm not sure exactly why, although I do know that the DEP company is also the company that owns LA Looks, and perhaps that became a more fashionable brand and they put most of their money into that particular line of hair products. However, I ran across DEP in the supermarket not too long ago, and I thought I'd take it for a spin because I hadn't had the chance for nearly 30 years. It's good. This is their flexible strength. This is not quite firm hold, not soft hold, and it works well. I normally wet the hair before I put it in and then apply the gel because that allows me a little bit more flexibility in combing my hair and styling it the way that I want. And it gives good hold through the day. It's not particularly hard, so I didn't have any of that crunchy feel in the hair, so it's not that firm a hold, and it didn't give me a wet look either, which I thought was pretty good for what it is. Medium hold, nice shine, not being particularly hard. I'm not wild about the smell. This is Sport, and I think they could have just left off the fragrance because really it smells like hair gel with just a little bit of fragrance. I much rather would have gone without the mix of the sporty scent, which really doesn't work for me, along with the very strong odor of the hair gel itself, which disappears in about 15 minutes. So I've also read that recently it's been discontinued, but you can still find it on the shelves. So if you're interested in taking a blast from the past, the 80s, go ahead and take DEP Sport hair gel for a spin. If you enjoy reviews of classical products, such as DEP, or enjoy reviews of modern products through a classical lens, please subscribe.